Today we're going to talk about the most incredible construction technologies that you wouldn't believe exist, starting with the Holcim Campo Drain, a type of permeable concrete that can be used to create surfaces in both gray and color, offering aesthetically pleasing finishes. This surface layer of permeable concrete is applied to a variety of substrates, whether on gravel layers or, in the case of a 3-layer structure, on a drainage surface called drain pact. The declared strength, combined with the surface water drainage capacity, gives the concrete system exceptional durability. Holcim Campo Drain is produced in ready-mix plants and transported to the site by mobile mixers. In certain situations, delivery can also be made by specially equipped dump trucks to prevent drying out. Installation is carried out with pavers or by hand. We leave Campo Drain behind and move on to the next brilliant invention that'll blow your mind. It's not a conventional shelving product. Click-On is a highly customizable and patented acoustic batten system. Famous for its unique patented connection, Click-On battens allow for quick and easy installation using wood or aluminum battens in a variety of sizes and profiles. A specially designed groove on the back of the batten serves as the interface between the batten and the clip. These clips come pre-installed on mounting rails to your specifications, which are quickly installed before the battens are placed in position. The patented Click-On connection produces a solid click when the battens engage the mounting rail clips. This snap-fit connection results in a quick installation with completely hidden fasteners. And speaking of speed, the next invention is ideal for those unique occasions. Another construction technology you must see, because for decades, steel bars have been widely used as reinforcement in concrete construction. Despite its strength, steel is not the ideal solution for reinforcement, especially in corrosive environments and those with electromagnetic sensitivity. In such cases, our fiberglass reinforcement, shock cone bar, offers advanced possibilities and unique solutions. Examples of applications include easy mechanization in tunnel construction or the absence of electromagnetic conductivity in transformers or research facilities. Other advantages of fiberglass reinforcement include its corrosion resistance in the construction of bridge parapets and barrier walls. In these and many other applications, fiberglass reinforcement can provide technically superior and cost-effective solutions. And if you want to be on the cutting edge of technology, don't miss the next invention. You should know how to use technological advances to improve your building system. The importance of sustainability and energy efficiency applies not only to new construction, but also to the renovation of existing buildings. With Waltite, BASF is making a significant difference in both areas. This purple closed-cell foam is easy to spray, cures almost instantly, and creates a seamless airtight insulation for interior walls, floors, and ceilings. Whether you're considering renovating your home or building a new, energy-efficient insulated home, choosing Waltite is critical. Waltite spray foam insulation provides builders with superior insulation performance, complete air tightness, and durability. It offers a quick and easy alternative to more traditional insulation methods, and when cured, provides a seamless airtight system that can contribute significantly to the overall performance of the building envelope. In addition, a specially modified formulation of Waltite can be used to insulate hollow walls. Interested in learning more about building technology trends you should be aware of? VertEdge has been meticulously designed from over 35 years of experience in the synthetic turf and flooring industry. This innovative design was created to provide a safer, stronger, and smarter edge for synthetic turf installations. There is currently no other product in the world that is similar to VertEdge in both design and application. Traditional methods of perimeter edging often involve improvisation using readily available standard construction materials such as wood, cement, plastic, nails, and screws. Each contractor typically claims that their method is right and superior to others, creating confusion for the customer, as there is no widely accepted industry standard for contractors to adhere to. VertEdge addresses this issue by offering a purpose-built product that provides consistency and uniformity across the industry. This in turn would significantly improve the safety and quality of synthetic turf installations for the end user. VertEdge is emerging as the solution to this recognized problem and is poised to become the industry standard. Another building technology you'll find hard to believe exists. Freedom Yurt Cabins 4-season yurt cabins are the perfect choice to achieve your goals, whatever they may be. With the ability to complete construction in as little as 3 to 5 days, these wooden yurts allow you to furnish your space for a fraction of the cost of building a new home. It's a logical choice that combines efficiency with comfort. To make the process even more accessible, a detailed assembly manual is provided. Assembling your hard-walled yurt cabin can be an exciting weekend project, whether you gather friends or family to share in this unique experience. Unlike traditional cladding, this easy-to-specify system offers a range of unique profiles that can be combined in a variety of ways to create deep and rich textures. Manufactured from lightweight aluminum profiles and using modular components, this system gives designers the flexibility to create a truly distinctive facade while maintaining ease of installation. Classified as non-combustible in accordance with AS 1530.1, click-on cladding is a fire-compliant solution available in a variety of high-quality finishes to suit almost any design intent. The exclusive click-on joint replaces traditional fixing screws, reducing on-site time and ensuring accurate installation without the need for skilled labor. How does construction technology revolutionize the industry while creating an architectural look reminiscent of the Hobbiton? The technology used in Rivoni's vaults is truly unique. As a company, they've dedicated time to studying ancient vaulted cellars, which has allowed them to learn from the master builders of the past. This ancestral knowledge has been integrated into the construction of their vaults, evolving and merging with contemporary techniques and materials. Vaults, saunas, and living spaces. Following the age-old tradition of building vaulted cellars, they've chosen to specialize in the construction of high-quality and elegant vaulted structures that'll last for decades. The installation of a vaulted cellar or modular home is quick, convenient, and straightforward, offering customized solutions in a wide variety of sizes, layouts, and styles to suit individual needs. The combination of ancient wisdom and modern techniques makes it possible to create durable structures of exceptional quality. We're already in the home stretch, so don't miss the next technological invention. More building technology. The collection of rainwater through Graph's underground systems is not only an ecological option, but also an economical solution. These systems can save up to 50% of potable water, helping to conserve groundwater reserves and reduce the burden on wastewater treatment systems. Among the options offered, the flat platen tank, with a volume of 1,500 liters or more, stands out for its ease of self-installation. In addition, the curated XXL tank, with an impressive volume of up to 122,000 liters, is designed to meet large stormwater needs. Graph's comprehensive packages make the professional implementation of rainwater harvesting easy, whether for garden or residential use. With pedestrian or vehicular load capacity, these systems offer versatility and an integrated solution. The ability to customize sizes, designs, and styles ensures that every customer can find the option that best suits their needs and preferences. With Graph, rainwater collection becomes an efficient and environmentally friendly practice. And speaking of eco-friendly, let us introduce you to another invention you can't afford to miss. This is the kind of construction equipment you have to see to believe. The technical requirements for the envelope of a modern building are constantly increasing, and it's becoming more and more difficult to keep up with these requirements in the workplace. Therefore, the masonry process itself plays a crucial role in creating durable and highly heat-insulating masonry. Franken-Maxit's innovative Maxit mortar pad has been setting new standards since 2015. It minimizes masonry errors while streamlining and simplifying processes. Masonry 3.0 with the Maxit mortar pad requires just a few tools and steps, step by step, brick by brick. Only a few tools are needed to create high-quality masonry with the Maxit mortar pad. The bricklayer can concentrate fully on building the wall. Simple maneuvers allow the mortar pads to be worked on site. And speaking of simplicity, the latest tool will make your life much easier. Another example of the future of building technology, Polyglass has earned a place as a leading manufacturer of modified membranes for roofing and bitumen waterproofing, as well as insulation and coatings for low and high slope applications. Proud of its ability to produce innovative and high-quality products, Polyglass exceeds the expectations and needs of its customers worldwide in the field of roofing and waterproofing. What do you think about these inventions? We know you have a favorite. Let us know what it is in the comments.